Welcome to SimplyRideUSA.com. Today we have a brand new, freshly built 2023 Yamaha Wolverine RMAX 1000 Limited Edition. This side-by-side is brand new and will be prepped to go once it has been sold. So let's take our walk around it, we'll show it to you, then we'll fire it up for you. As you can see, this is a four-door, four-seater. Already comes with a factory installed winch. As you can see, passenger side, grab rail. Is set up for a 2-inch towing hitch. Stereo speakers. This 2023 Yamaha Wolverine RMAX 1000 Limited Edition is brand new and freshly built and will be prepped to go once it has been sold. Thank you for shopping SimplyRideUSA.com.